Am I already on? Yes, I'm already on. So anyway, good day to all of you. My name is Blair, your science teacher right here in Science is Cool, and today we will talk about the KKU Linux mirrors. And let's start. Without further ado, we'll go to our website. So let's try to visit this website, kku.th, or make it, let me retype, kku.ac.th. So that is their website actually. So let's try to open this one. I think my internet connection is a little bit slow, but well, what can I ask? So anyway, this is the website that they are facing with, but actually this is more than the website. They actually also providing some KKU, the KKU website providing the mirrors for the Linux community. So let me open that one. Let's go to mirror.kku.ac, and guess what? They only have only two. Okay, there are only two websites right here in Thailand that caters for the distros, Linux distros, and this is one of the top, or this is one of the fastest. That's why I have this very fast type of downloading, because of kku.ac.th. And I want to show to you that they have a lot of so-called distros, from Alma Linux to Alpine Linux to Arch Linux, CentOS, Debian. They also have Kali, Linux Mint, which is way back in 2015. They also have Manjaro, MX Linux. They also have Parrot, Raspbian, Rocky Linux, Ubuntu, and of course, how can you ever not notice the VLC, the video LAN player. So as you can see right here in our Linux distros, they already have this very long time ago, like 2015, 2008, also 2008 for the MX packages. They also have, I think the Ubuntu release is way back then. Let me see. Ubuntu. Oh, maybe in just Ubuntu. Let me see. Under the Ubuntu folder. Yeah, there you have it. They have the 2010. So it's really old, and one of the oldest right here is the Linux Mint, which is, let's go to the stable, because this is the stable ones. Yes, they have way back in 2009 and 2010. I remember when I was still in the Philippines under the government, city government of Iloilo City. We use Ubuntu as our operating system, and I think I have the video right here in the channel. And yep, that's one of the places where I downloaded my Ubuntu Linux 8 version for another, try to go to the memory lane, or down to the memory lane. Okay, so yeah, so this is the place that you are getting all of this Linux distros, even for hacking. Try to hack some good hacking, okay? Because programmers are hackers are programmers. So the bad hackers, that is what we call right now hackers. But to be exact, hacking is how to do your stuff, how to connect those stuff. So that's good hacking. So I hope this will be very informative for you guys. Visit this website, that's mirror.kku.az.th. And before I go, I want you to see my system. So this is my system. Oh, exactly 1201 already. I'm using plasma, KDE plasma, and this is KDE plasma MX. So yep, let's go down here, information. Yep, I have I have the KDE Plasma version 5.20.5. So this is in my hardware, which is the quadro-core AMD A6 5200 APU with Radeon HD graphics, and I already upgraded from 4 gigabytes of random access memory or ROM. Right now I'm 12 gigabytes of random access memory ROM. So I hope this will clear to all of you guys that I'm using this old computer to record some stuff. Not only that, but also my other computer, which is my main computer, is also being used primarily for day-to-day use via Linux OSs, because we have a lot of distros or distribution. So that's it for now for our science school, to taking a look into the KKU Linux mirrors via my old computer, which is HP 15 MX21. And my name is Blair, your science teacher right here in science school, and saying bye.